Funny face.
Funny face.
Suki, what's wrong? Look, it's Waddly Penguin.
Oh, there.
Is she okay?
She probably just needs a nap.
Okay, bye-bye, baby Suki.
Doc, you gotta help me. I got baby gook all over my nose.
It's okay, Chewie. See? All gone.
Thanks, Doc. You're a lifesaver.
What's wrong, Waddly? I love my little baby Suki lots and lots, but she doesn't want to play with me. You need a cuddle.
Make that a double cuddle.
A triple cuddle.
A quadruple cuddle.
I love quadruple cuddles, but I'll never ever feel better till I make Suki smile again. Waddly, you love baby Suki. You know what I love? Fixing toys. I need fixes? I'm not sure, but I'd like to take you to my clinic and find out. The doc is in.
Hi, Doc. Hi, Doc. Hi, Doc.
We have an important patient. Hallie, meet Waddly Penguin.
Well, hello there, Waddly. Welcome to Doc McStuffins' clinic for stuffed animals and toys.
Ooh, hiya. I'm front.
It's just Waddly's lights. You can take your head out of the trash.